Hi everyone, this is Earl, your favorite DMCI Homes Realtor, and we are here right now in Panay Avenue, Quezon City, and we will gonna do another tour of one of DMCI Homes' newest property, the Crestmont. So tara, pasukin natin tong property na to. So bago tayo pumasok dun sa property, ipakita ko lang din sa inyo yung drop-off nung project mismo, no? So ito yung drop-off area natin. And then right there, we have the entrance for the parking. And then dun naman is yung exit natin for the parking. So pasok tayo dito sa loob. Very straightforward tong property na to. And as you can see here, we have the lobby and also the reception area. Hi sir. So we have the reception area right here. So this is where we receive our guests. And then this property also is, again, since it's a DMCI Homes property, this is manned or binabantayan to ng security 24/7. We have a lot of CCTVs in the area and we have a lot of securities in the area. So hindi basta-basta makakapasok yung hindi resident or guest dito. So again, this is what a DMCI lobby looks like. Very open, very airy, maliwanag as well. So right now medyo gloomy lang din ulit yung araw, yung ano natin, naubusan tayo ng araw. But dito sa area na to, this is our kiddie pool. And later on, stay tuned kasi meron akong surprise. Kung magugulat kayo, this is one of the first DMCI Homes property na merong ganitong feature. So diretso tayo dito. As you can see, we have here the kiddie pool. And then meron tayo ditong mga tables and chairs para mababantayan yung mga bata if ever na mag-swimming sila. Tapos right there, we have a playground. Ayan. So moving forward, nandito yung lobby natin. If you want to entertain your guests dito sa ground floor, yeah, pwede naman. So again, this is a straightforward project. So magiging straightforward tayo, medyo mabilis lang ng konti yung vlog natin because as of today, hindi pa naman siya 100% na tapos. So may mga amenities pa na tinatapos ngayon and we are fortunate right now na makapasok din dito sa property na to. So this property as well has 8 high-speed elevators servicing all of the units, all of the 50 floors of this condominium. So akyat tayo sa taas. Let's go up sa 9th floor para makita natin yung model unit for 2-bedroom. So as of now, we only have 2 servicing elevators kasi as I've said, hindi pa naman fully turned over tong property, but once na fully turned over na tong property, lahat ng 8 elevators is pagaganahin na. So pasok tayo sa elevator na. Let's go up sa 9th floor para makita natin yung 2-bedroom model unit. Hi Kuya, 9th floor po. Thank you. Kuya, pwede ba kaming pumasok sa atrium level? Meron ba kami pwedeng puntahan?
Meron ako sa 48 po.
48th floor. Okay, sige. 9th floor muna tayo. So, akit muna tayo ng 9th floor. As I've said, nandun yung model unit natin for 2-bedroom. Tapos, ang ganda-ganda niya. Promise. Sige. So, ngayon, this is a good thing as well. Kasi at least makikita nyo yung itsura ng open layout. Open hallway. So, this is an open hallway. Sa baba natin is yung atrium level. Atrium level dito, tapos ito yung open. Ayan. So, meron tayong breezeway again. So, ito yung breezeway ng isang breezeway natin. Sa kabila, meron ulit sa kabilang facade ng building. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayong breezeway sa magkabilang side, sa magkabilang dulo ng building. So, tagdalawa yon. So, all in all, 6 na breezeway yon. And then, as you can see, very airy and tawag doon, maaliwalas talaga. Ayan. So, tara, tignan natin ngayon itong 2-bedroom, 66.5 square meter model unit natin. So, ang gusto ko kasi dito sa mga unit ng Crestmont is pagdating sa balcony, mas malaki siya compared to other projects natin. So, nasa 10.5 square meter. So, pagpasok mo, meron tayong mini foyer dito. Ayan. So, Diretso tayo dito, we have our dining area. Tapos meron tayo ditong kitchen. So nandito yung kitchen natin. And so once na turn over natin yung mga units sa clients, yung mga deliverables natin are itong mga sink, kasama na yung mga cabinets, kasama yung countertop. Tapos ang maganda kasi sa DMCI Homes is plug and play yung mga appliances natin, like yung range hood, meron tayong provision for range hood. Meron din tayo dito, for this particular unit, meron tayong space for the washer and dryer. Tapos, may inlet outlet na yan. So, kakabit nyo na lang yung appliances nyo. So, moving forward, here is the dining area. Tapos, ito yung living area natin. Ayan. Ito yung living area natin. As you can see, very spacious yung living area natin. And then, when we go here, andito yung spacious natin na toilet and bath as well. So, pag tinurn over siya, kasama yung mga, tawag doon, mga bathroom fixtures natin, like yung shower head, tapos kasama rin tong sink, yan, pati yung toilet bowl, kasama yan. And then, moving forward, nandito yung second bedroom natin. So, this one is, I think, nasa 6 or 7 square meter to. Yan. So, ang laki niya for a second bedroom. And then, this is our primary. So, let's go here. This is our primary bedroom. And it can fit a queen-size bed. Yan. I think that, yeah, this is a queen-size bed. And then, moving forward, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung magandang part, yung magandang upgrade ng DMCI Homes. So as you can see here, mas malawak na yung balcony niya compared to other DMCI Homes project. Tapos, ang maganda pa sa Crestmont is mas malaki na yung mga sliding doors natin and your windows as well. So mas malaki na. So mas premium yung feel. Naka-glass balcony din tayo. So mas more upgraded talaga yung mga turnover natin dito. So akyat tayo sa 11th floor para makita naman natin yung 3-bedroom unit. So kung lagi kayo nanonood ng vlogs ko, mapapansin nyo na talagang wala talaga akong script. And what I'm doing talaga is gusto ko na, tawag doon, mas natural yung pagtutour ko sa inyo. Parang ganito yung mangyayari kapag nag-tour tayo. So akyat tayo sa 11th floor. So right now, we are here in the 9th floor, 9, 10, 11. So ang maganda doon, sa 11th floor, makikita natin yung full floor. Yun yung walang butas sa facade. So at least, you would have an idea kung ano yung itsura. So, sa dalawang high-speed elevator natin, ang bilis, di ba? Saglit lang pinindot. Ay, sige po, kuya. Pasok po kayo. 11th floor po, kuya. Thank you. And, yeah. This one is a full floor. As you can see, kanina may butas dun sa facade, pero dito wala na. Ang ano naman dun, ang maganda naman dun, kahit walang butas sa facade, meron pa rin tayong breezeway sa magkabilang dulo ng building. So, yung air natin, free-flowing pa rin. And as you can see, hindi naman madilim dito. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo, bawat floor, at least, I think, nasa 4 or 6 yung CCTV dito. So, talagang bantay sarado yung property. So, yung 3BR natin, this 3BR is a corner unit. So, this is an 83.5 square meter, 84.5 square meter, 3-bedroom unit. Yeah. So, as you can see, pasok tayo sa loob. So, pagpasok mo sa loob ng 3-bedroom unit mo, ang maganda dito sa corner unit is meron ka ng full-size kitchen. Pero, tignan muna natin itong area natin for the dining and living area. Tapos, if you are a big fan of entertaining guests, yan, we have a balcony dito sa may living area natin. So, this one is your mini balcony for your guest. This one is a mini balcony for your guest. As you can see, this is a 5 square meter balcony. So, tawag doon, if you love entertaining guests, dito yung pwede natin silang entertain. No need na pumasok sa kwarto para ma-enjoy yung balcony. So, yun. So, moving forward, ito yung kitchen area natin. So, this one is our kitchen area. As you can see, as I've said, kasama na yung mga cabinets, soft close cabinets na rin yan. And then, we also have our countertops here. Tapos, meron tayong provision for the range hood. Meron din tayong provision for, tawag doon, sa mga, sa mga kitchen equipments natin. So, ito, yung ref natin, yan, may saksakan na yan. So, moving forward, this is your common toilet and bath. Yan. So, this one is, pasok ako para makita niyo yung laki niya. So, this is your common toilet and bath. Same as the 2-bedroom na diniscuss ko kanina, kasama yung mga bathroom fixtures kapag tinurn over yung property. Then, let's go to this one. This one is one of my favorite feature ng DMCI Homes. So, bubukas ko siya para mas makita ng konti, sana makita. But this one is a space for your washer and dryer. So, this is a separate space. Meron din tayong mga 2-bedroom na merong separate space for your washer and dryer if you want a specific layout na katulad ng ganun. So, may na siya, may water inlet, may outlet na rin siya, may electrical outlet na rin siya. So, this one is the third bedroom number 3. So, ang maganda dito kasi is you can convert bedroom 2 and 3. Pwede mo siyang pag-isahin para mas malaki yung room, gawin mo siyang malaking 2-bedroom, or pwede mo itong gawing office or a kid's room or guest room. So, pwede yun. So, this one is the second bedroom. Yan. Bedroom number 2. Yan. So, malaki din yung space natin for this one. And then, let's proceed dun sa primary bedroom natin. So, ang maganda kasi sa 3BR usually, yung DMCI Homes, lalo kapag corner unit, ang maganda is you have 2 toilet and bath. So, dito sa loob ng primary bedroom mo, meron din tayong primary toilet and bath. May master's toilet and bath tayo dito. Ayan. So, yung turnover natin, yung ito-turnover natin is same lang din. Kasama yung sink, kasama yung bathroom fixtures, pati yung toilet. Pati yung mga tiles pala, kasama. By the way, sa kitchen, sa common areas, naka-tiles tayo. But for the bedrooms, naka-ceramic planks tayo. Ayan. So, eto yung balcony. So, as you can see, triangular halos, parang may triangular space or something. Pero mas malaki siya. Mas malaki talaga siya compared to other DMCI homes na project. Yung mga bagong project kasi natin ngayon, we want bigger doors, bigger everything. So, yun. And also, yung mga, yung mga provisions dito for the air conditioning unit is for split type air conditioning unit na. So, ayun. So, as you can see, ang ganda ng view natin. By the way, one thing na hindi ko pala na-discuss kanina sa baba, but one thing na maganda sa Crestmont is the location. The location of this property is very prime. And as you can see right there, that is already the Quezon Avenue. And then dito naman is EDSA na. Tapos, ongoing na yung subway. Yeah, yung subway station natin nandun na. Tapos yung MRT, Quezon Avenue, walking distance lang, like 2 minutes lang, nasa MRT station ka na. Tapos doon naman sa area na yon, going forward is Vertis North na. Tapos, malapit din tayo sa Timog, malapit din tayo sa ABS-CBN, pati sa GMA. So, very accessible yung property natin to all major establishments dito sa Quezon City. And also yung mga transportation hubs. Yan, very tawag doon, very prime yung location natin. Pero, in terms of price, mas maganda yung price neto kesa sa ibang mga properties dito. Ayan. Pero hindi pa talaga yon, hindi pa yon yung pinaka the best thing about this one. So, uh, just to recap, nakita na natin yung um, open layout, open hallway, saka yung full floor, full hallway. But unfortunately, hindi pa tayo pwedeng umakyat sa atrium level as of now. But mag-update naman ako. I will upload new updates regarding this project kasi gusto nating sabayan yung progress na itong project na to. So, if ever na pwede nang i-access lahat dito, pati yung mga gym natin, pati yung function area natin, convenience store, yung water station, pati yung laundry station, yun yung mga papakita ko on my updates. Kuya, bawal pumunta sa 43rd?
43 po.
Bawal, no?
Bawal.
Okay.
48 lang po.
Ano lang po, roof deck po. So ngayon, akyat tayo sa roof deck para makita natin yung feature na dinidiscuss ko kanina pa. So, ito yung one of the features ng DMCI Homes na I would say pinakabago and kokonti lang yung mga developers. I think baka nga DMCI lang yung meron but very few developers yung nagbibigay ng ganitong klaseng amenity. And if you are looking forward na mag-invest or magpa-rent out ng unit, this is one of the pros na pwede nyong i-highlight dun sa magiging future tenant nyo. Or if you want na ikaw mismo yung titira, sobrang may enjoy mo tong amenity na to. So, yeah. Kaya tayo. So, bago tayo pumunta dun sa amenity na yon, tignan muna natin yung tawag doon, mga views dito sa area na to. So, dito tayo, no? Yan. So, we have here the Sky Lounge. So, dito sa Sky Lounge, you can enjoy the view of Makati. Yan, dito tayo, tignan natin. You will enjoy the view of Makati, Ortigas, going to south. Yan. Tapos kita ko rin dito yung Manila Bay, kita ko yung Manila area, kita ko rito yung Antipolo Mountains. Yeah, lagi na lang, every time na aakyat ako ng roof deck ng DMCI Homes, parang kinikilabutan talaga ako. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. As in, sobrang ganda. Yan. So, let's go here. Let's go here sa sa area na to. And ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung okay lang. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung feature na sinasabi ko mula kanina pa. Yan. So, as of now, may mga ginagawa pang area na to. Tapos, meron tayong bar area dito. Yan, meron tayong bar area dito. And this is the feature na I would say one of the best feature ng property na to. So we have an infinity pool. Aside from this view, na napakagandang view natin, we have an infinity pool looking over the rest of Quezon City. So this is facing north, and you can just imagine kapag nag-swimming ka dito with your family or with your loved ones, di ba? So you will enjoy this view. And sobrang ganda na, and this is the first time na nag-turn over yung DMCI Homes ng ganitong amenity. And I would say bravo talaga kasi they have really done a good job. And I'm not familiar sa mga ibang developers na nagbibigay ng ganitong klaseng amenities. I think DMCI has ang hirap tapatan ng ganitong klaseng amenity. So, kanina, before ako mag-shoot, tinatry ko tong na to, and grabe, halos makatulog ako sa sobrang sarap, nakatingin ka lang sa malayo. you're enjoying the Antipolo Mountains. I think that part is Bulacan already. So nakikita ko yung area na yan. Yan. Parang, yeah, this is the life. Ayan. So basically, yun lang yung pwede kong ipakita sa ngayon for Crestmont. And if you want to, if you want to know more about this property, or if you want to schedule a site visit, don't forget to contact me. I have all my social media right here, and all my numbers are right here as well. I'm available in Viber, WhatsApp, Telegram, WeChat, so you can contact me there. And also on my social media accounts, my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, pati YouTube, it's at Elevate Properties PH. So basically yun. For now, ito pa lang yung pwede natin ipakita for the Crestmont, but looking forward after siguro mga 3 months or so, I think marami ng mga bagong tawag doon, mga bagong amenities and features na pwedeng ipakita for this property. So, I hope you all enjoyed my video, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will get updated for whenever I upload new vlogs. So, thank you so much. Again, this is Earl, your favorite DMCI Homes Realtor. I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye!